So I just bought this bandsaw yesterday and I was very keen to make some test cuts with it. This is called a Centauro 700. It's an Italian-made bandsaw. It only came with one band and it's not the right one for what I'm doing here, unfortunately. It's a blade for cross-cutting firewood, not for ripping cuts. But I couldn't resist and I was very keen to make some test cuts anyway. So here we go, let's see some free-handed log milling on a vertical bandsaw. This is a piece of acacia firewood, about 1 meter in length. Let's see if I can get some boards out of it. Not surprisingly, the blade was drifting a little bit. I was expecting that. But the blades, as I said, the wrong TPI, the wrong tool set, and it wasn't exactly sharp. But I managed to work my way through all of them. I got about 4 boards out of it. They're about 30 mm in thickness. Not the greatest, but I can plane them down once they dried. My first thing will be tomorrow morning is to order a bunch of new blades. The right blades for the right job. There is a blade sharpening shop about 20 minutes down the road where I can order custom sized saw blades. And here is the end result, 4 lovely boards of acacia. Don't look at the cut quality, I know it's not great, I promise I'll make it better next time.